Got sunshine on a cloudy day.
I could use a cloud.
Watching the Galvanator.
Your mom is the Galvanator.
Beanie hair? Is that the new style?
It makes my hair stay down. Then when I take it off, it just looks fantastic.
How long do you have to keep it on?
I just go to sleep in it, and it turns out wonderful. So yeah. There's no rhyme or reason to how long.
Hair advertising.
Hair advertising?
But you have to do it with the Arnold Schwarzenegger.
My hair! It's amazing!
Here's Megan going into the water. This is probably like the 10th time.
Yeah, but this is the only time we've gotten.
Video recording.
Yeah. Nope. But we're not going all the way in, so.
Here comes the wave! Whee!
We'll probably.
Another one. I'm in the water. But you're not fully submerged.
Not fully.
I'm not satisfied.
Bye, girl. Oh my gosh, that's cool.
Yay, Megan! He has 4. All you have to do is find pants.
What?
So all you have to do is find pants.
Yep. Good work.
Don't drown. Jenny is way out there.
Swimming out to sea.
Jenny, I love you! Tell Nemo I said hi! So there's food on the end of that stick.
Like a shish kebab.
There's a stick.
Hey, look, I found a stick.
Jenny, you're so far away!
Don't let that deep.
You're a head bobbing in the water. Say hi to the camera, Timothy. Cheese. Got sunshine on a cloudy day.
I could use a cloud.
Our middle names are Danger.
I laugh at danger.
I laugh in the face of danger. Why don't you pick on someone your own size, like you?
I will go get the floaty now.
How do you feel about being in the ocean after watching Shark Week?
Apprehensive.
That's a good word.
Thank you. I am a writer, you know. I must come up with these fancy words to sound intelligent.
Get a shot of the entire beach. Yeah. Hi, Tang.
This is what happens.
No more Gatorade for Jenny.
Gatorade. Because earlier she was like, I'm so tired. And now she's like,
She found a spot on the blanket.
does it look up in here?
No. Just very wrinkled.
It's not going anywhere.
That's what you do. You go, it's good stuff.
Hi.
We're at the bees. Let's go to the beach. We're at the bees.
Say what? What boy?
All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing.
At Ross, I got 6 for $99.
You told me about that.
We're golfing in a fun way.
They were,
Yay!
It has to be the most enthusiastic you've ever been
I'm
while
excited.
videotaping.
but the fabric.
We are on a train.
We are on a train.
Yes.
Train.
Come back, come back.
And that's it? This is the whole thing?
No, it's down there. It goes down.
They split off.
It's down there, Mary.
The right one splits off.
We have one at BBC. And if not, we do have a TJ Maxx.
That's true.
I think I can do this. The competition's fierce, and we've been at it all day, and we're finally at 9 holes. And
Those are some pretty brutal 8 holes before
I didn't
us.
have any snacks or water. It's gonna be intense. Allison!
It's either 5 or 6.
Let's get
One more shot. Yes, Megan.
Yeah. 2.5.